we doing? It's been quite a while since I filmed. I did upload a video recently which you might have seen. That was like a combination of a mixture of different days that I filmed a while ago, and then I had a little bit of a break for a mixture of different reasons really. I've also been like really poorly, and I'm finally feeling a little bit back to myself again. I've been able to put a bit of makeup on. I was just feeling like super fluey and just horrendous, but I'm all good now. Is the first of my many Christmas videos for my YouTube. I am so excited. I hope you are too. Hence the Christmas tree in the background and the Christmas wreath, the Christmas cushions. There's honestly so much to show you guys, and we've got so many different like exciting things planned. Today actually me and Sam are going to go to a bonfire, and I am so excited because I haven't actually been to, I've just got a text. I am so excited to go because I haven't actually been to a bonfire for years. I remember being at uni in like my house with like my housemates, and we always wanted to go, and then we never actually could find a good one, or like one of us was busy, so we never ended up going. And then I think with Sam we just ended up leaving it too late, so this year I was like, right, we need to find one, we need to plan, and we need to go. So that's what we're doing tonight. So we're going to stand around a bonfire together, we're going to watch the fireworks, we'll maybe get some nice food, some nice drink, get all cozy and wrapped up warm. So I'm so excited. Maybe get a sparkler as well. I do love a good sparkler, and I do like doing things in the evening. If you remember the last vlog, obviously I went to Hallow Scream and it was honestly terrifying. Cooper's got excited to get a toy out. What's that? What's that? What was I saying? Yeah, so Hallow Scream was really scary, and I kind of came home and had this horrible anxious feeling. That might sound like silly to some of you, but I think the mixture of the cocktails I had before I went and the coffee, bad combination. When you suffer with anxiety as it is, and you go into a scare event at night when you hardly leave the house at the moment, it was just the worst combination. So I'm looking forward to leaving the house tonight to get cozy and not be scared and it just feel really wholesome, and then come home. I'm gonna have a Baileys when I get home. I did an Asda order the other day and I've got my first bottle of Baileys for the year, so I'll have a Baileys or a red wine, probably a Baileys though. Also just looking forward to spending the weekend with Sam. I miss him so much through the week. He's now on week 8 of his training course, and it's just very long hours, and I just miss him so much, and it just makes me appreciate the weekend even more. If you can hear a weird noise, by the way, it's because Cooper is currently playing with his toy. Cooper is actually completely fine with fireworks, otherwise we wouldn't be leaving him. Labradors in general are like gun dogs, so they're used to the oh, hello.
Mom.
Hey.
Hello, this is an early finish, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 4:20. Woohoo! I always get so excited when you ring me.
Well, we were supposed to finish at 6, but I just stood up and said, whatever everybody, and stormed out.
Oh, that's exciting.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right, well you might have lost your place on the course then.
Nope.
Do you want to say hello to the vlog?
Please hold.
Sam? He's put me on hold. Does he even realise he's put me on hold? Let's see how long it actually takes him to realise. You put me on hold.
You put me on hold?
No, it said please hold. Oh, Cooper's super excited that Sam's home. I am literally obsessed. I think maybe tomorrow I'll go over each bauble with you, so I don't think I really have the time right now. But I did go for like a traditional theme.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello. It's so bright
So
hello.
should put this one on instead.
Oh.
Good day?
Yes, tired.
Tired.
But I'm going to perk up for these fireworks.
Yeah?
They'll wake me up.
I think you need a coffee.
See my dodgy moustache.
Oh yeah, Sam's doing Movember.
Fundraising.
Fundraising.
I'm not just doing it off my own back.
Is there anywhere where people can donate if they want to?
There is actually, yes.
I will leave a link in the description box of this video.
Right here. Ping.
No.
Do one of those pop-up boxes that go ping.
Yeah, but they won't be able to click on it from
Ping.
I'll have to do it in the description box.
A clicky box that goes ping.
We're just about to set off, but before we go, we were going to have a coffee, and I thought, oh, what's happened to my lens? There we go. I thought I could have a Bailey's coffee, so I'm just going to make an instant coffee with a shot of Bailey's in. How nice is that? There's something about the Bailey's bottles to me that's just like so Christmassy. That's why I've got it on the side here, just to like, I don't know, make me feel Christmassy. I also got some red wine as well. I've never tried this one before, so I'm looking forward to trying that. I might need a bigger mug
Vessel.
so that it's not too strong.
You need a bigger coffee vessel.
We need the Christmas mugs. I'm going to have a Christmas mug because it's Christmassy. I feel like yours is kind of Christmassy. So, yeah. So I've just put some coffee in there with some milk. If you do that, it means the water won't burn the coffee. I don't know how much to put in. Topped it with some Baileys.
Scrapey McScrape.
Sorry. And then a bit of hot water.
You poured that in too quick, that's going to burn your coffee. This is how
That's 'cause
slow.
you're hogging the spoon.
Let me show you how slow you
Give
need
me-
to pour it. Like this, look.
Okay, let me have that. Please.
I need to mix.
Well, I need to mix mine.
Yours is already ruined. You've already burnt your coffee. At least we can salvage mine. Can you smell that burnt coffee?
It smells really amazing. Let's go. Are you excited to go to our first ever firework?
Bonfire night.
Yeah, me and Tam have never actually been to a bonfire display together, have we? It's our first ever one, which is cute.
And it's going to be good, isn't it? It's our local one that's just round the corner, which is exciting.
Yeah. We've got Heart Xmas on the radio. What have you done? We're in the queue, look at all these people. And it goes all the way up there as well. I didn't think it'd be so busy.
This is mental. What the heck?
I'm so excited.
What the heck and Bob?
It's Christmas.
It's bonfire night.
Yes, so it marks Christmas time. That is one big fire. Well, if they need a firefighter, we got one right here.
Is there water?
We got a pizza. I don't even know if you can see it. You're gonna have to hold it to the light. Hold it to the fire.
The fire.
You can't see it. The fireworks have started. Oh, they're so pretty.
Oh, they're like spinning in the
They're the
air.
spiral ones.
You know what? I've not seen fireworks in so long. I did wonder, like, has technology in fireworks?
Oh my god.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
Oh my god.
Look how golden and glowy you look.
It's not because of the fire, it's my natural complexion.
You enjoy the fireworks?
Yeah, my god. I I legitimately said, wow, a good 8 times.
I'm now home. I'm wrapped up in this new pine green throw from Next.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday.
Let it snow. Not on there. Wow. Thank you.
Got my morning cup of coffee with some cinnamon. We're watching A Christmas Carol.
I didn't realise it was like a cartoon. It's like one of those realistic cartoons.
Yeah.
Ah.
Super Christmassy. And we've also got a Christmas tree in our bedroom. Super colourful one in here with multicoloured lights.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
vlog. Merry Christmas. Let's see your pyjamas then. In full swing. Do you like them?
I love them, they're really soft.
They
and
really
comfy.
suit you.
Do I look like an elf?
A little bit.
Do I look like a big green idiot?
A little bit.
Because that is what you called me.
I didn't call you a big green idiot. You called yourself a big green
You
idiot.
called me a big green idiot.
I did not. We've had a super chilled morning this morning. We've watched A Christmas Carol and we're in our Christmas pyjamas. Sam's just got his green ones on here. I've got my Christmas pudding ones on. They're from ASOS. I've still actually got my pumpkin nails, so I need to go and get my nails done at some point.
Yeah.
I don't know when to go. Today or next weekend?
Next weekend.
We are just heading out. We're going to go shopping. I'm not sure we're going to get anything, but I kind of want to see what Christmassy bits they've got in the shops. I also want to go to Matalan because I think they are pretty good for Christmas stuff and I want to see what they have, and we've not been there yet. And we also do kind of fancy a cheeky McDonald's breakfast, don't we? There's something about a McDonald's breakfast that's like super Christmassy to me. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
But yeah, I'm excited to do that and get a salted caramel latte, unless they've got any Christmassy ones.
You think so? Salted caramel is pretty Christmassy.
Yeah, and it's really nice. So I think we're going to do that. What other plans do we have for today?
You're going to cut the grass.
No, you're going to cut the grass.
I'm going to play Xbox and you're going to cut the grass. We're going to have a nice HelloFresh dinner tonight, aren't we?
Oh yeah, we've not planned dinner, have we?
No.
Hopefully there's something in the HelloFresh box that's like really nice.
Delicious.
I'm craving pigs in blankets and stuffing.
You have that tomorrow, Sunday dinner.
Yeah, might have that tomorrow. I've just got ready. I'm just waiting for Sam. He's just getting changed and sorting out some cardboard because we need to do some recycling. So I thought in the meantime I would show you our Christmas tree and I'll go over each bauble, where they're from and everything like that. So there might be some things that we're still going to add to it. So we'll start from the top. So we have this gold heart at the top because Sam's mum actually got us this. So we thought that would be nice to put that at the top. We then have some of these red and white baubles. They're like a mixture of different patterns. They were from Amazon. Then this one is from John Lewis. So it's like a white and clear bauble with some like frosted trees and snow. Then we have this little polar bear with a star. I can't remember where he was from actually. Then we have these gold ones, a mixture. They came as a set from Argos. This was one of the ones from Amazon, the red and white set. Then we have this one, which is like a letter to Santa. How cute is that? That was £1 from Asda actually. I've got another one of the set ones. How cute is this? This is from Next. So it's a little Barnaby bear on a sleigh. He's so cute. Then I absolutely love this one. So a girl on Instagram basically makes these, and obviously that's our house, and she just decorates them all Christmassy. So then we have this candy cane. I can't remember where that one was from. This one is from B&M actually. This one's actually one of my favourites. I don't know what it is about it. It's just I love that like deep red, that dark red colour. Then we've got these berries that I've just kind of poked through. They were from the range. Then this was my grandma's actually, so this actually means like a lot to me. Sadly, lost my grandma this year, and so I really wanted some of her Christmas tree decorations to pop on the tree, because Christmas was always just made so special because of my grandma. So it's just, I don't know, it just really makes me feel comforted a little bit that I have some of these on my tree. So it's like a little drum set. How cute is that? These are just from the sets. This was from the range. I absolutely love that one. These were just from the sets as well. I got these from Amazon, these little candy canes. This is so cute too. I think this was from the range. Little gonk Christmas Santa. This was also my grandma's little red bell. This was from John Lewis. So it's like a frosted Christmas tree. I've got this little snowman. I can't remember where he was from. I think he was from Dobby's Garden Centre. Then we've got another Christmas gonk. This was from Next, I believe. Sam got me that as a present. We also got this, this was my grandma's too, so it's like a trumpet type thing. Really reminds me of her. We've got this Christmas Santa. This was from John Lewis. He's like putting the star on the tree. How cute is that? This was from John Lewis too. So it's like a white bauble with some red little pom-pom things on. I've also got these like scented sticks as well that just make the Christmas tree smell really nice. We've got this one, which was from the range. This one actually lights up. Let me turn it on so you can see. There we go. How cute is that? It's got like some berries inside. Then this was my grandma's too, this little present. Absolutely love that one. And also this one as well with the Santas on. Obsessed with those. Then we have this little snowman. I can't remember where he was from. This was my grandma's. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely love it. This was also my grandma's. This really cute Santa. I can't remember where this one was from as well. This second, this is the third gonk we actually have on our tree. Yeah, I can't remember where he was from. We got him a while ago. This was my grandma's too, this teddy bear, and so was this angel. Then we've got some more candy canes, some more of the set ones, and I think that's everything so far. But yeah, let me know which one's your favourite. But yeah, I do absolutely love the kind of traditional tree. Get Heart Xmas on the go. Actually just pulled up at McDonald's for a cheeky McDonald's breakfast. Guys, McDonald's are doing Christmas cups. Look how cute they are.
I didn't know which one you'd want, so one of them's a toffee and one of them's a choco fudge.
Latte?
They were the only two that they had. They've got rid of salted caramel.
Really? I don't really mind, whatever you want.
That's for you and all this is for me.
Thank you. Wow, look how amazing that looks. The hash brown is my favourite. We need to have a look at these drinks. Which one's which then?
What?
Smells nice, it just doesn't look as nice as the...
Well, it's going to have whipped cream.
Oh, maybe it's melted.
This one's toffee.
Nice.
The drink?
Yeah, you went for the toffee one, right?
Yeah. Well, I've had toffee before and I remember it all being at the bottom of the cup. This time it's actually mixed in and it's really good.
So what's mine then?
Choco fudge.
Choco fudge latte.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's really nice. It tastes like the salt caramel. We are at Home Bargains.
And bargain booze.
And bargain booze. We won't be going in there. Oh wait, they don't just do booze though. They've got... I hate the word booze.
You just used it in a normal sentence.
They've got oh, they're like mini mince pies. They're cute.
I'd have to eat at least 3 of them to be able to feel it.
I think they're perfect for me though, because I only like a little one. That's cute. Candy cane gin liqueur.
No face like no.
We are just heading to Matalan. We've just been to Home Bargains, but I want to have a look what Matalan have got, and I will of course do a little montage of the bits that they have. Then I think we're going to go to B&M and Dunelm.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high, while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would
For
glow.
Cooper, little Santa toy, so I'm going to give it to him. Sit then. Wow. Good boy. What's that? Is that your new toy? Is that your new toy? Have you been watching the rugby? Wow. I just wanted to show you some of the bits that I picked up. So I picked up this sparkly Holly Jolly Christmas sign from Matalan. I've got some toffee for Sam because he really likes that. I've got these vanilla latte sachets because I like to have those in the morning. We also picked up these mince pies, so they're all like slightly different. They're like mini mince pies, so I think they'll look really cute. Maybe on this like little tree dish that I picked up from Matalan. So that was £5. We've got a jumbo for Cooper. Then from Tesco picked up this really nice like Christmas pudding mug. I thought that was really cute. And then this was from B&M. It's like a wine glass with an M and a Santa hat on. How cute is that? Some pigs in blanket crisps, which I'm so excited about because I've actually been craving pigs in blankets. So it's a massive big bag, so we'll just have to have like little bowls of it at a time. Then we've got some frosted winterberry carpet spray, some duck pine, some duckberry. I got the Mrs. Hinch frosted berry flash spray, the apple spice flash spray, the bathroom flash spray, and some shampoo, conditioner. A really nice candle actually. This is from B&M. It was only like £2.99 and it smells so nice. And then from Tesco I also picked up these. They were only £3, so I just need to put them in a pot and probably have them on the table. I think these are just so Christmassy. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up. Santa Claus on. Cooper's destroyed his toy. Yay, thank you.
No problem.
Nice cup of tea. I've got my Christmas throw. We've got the Santa Claus on. I turned it down actually, so it just seems awkwardly silent.
Oh, yeah.
Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea. Oh, cup of tea.
Sam's about to play his new game, which I got for his birthday, which is called Far Cry 6. And I am going to have a lovely little snooze on the sofa, wrapped up in my throw. I'm going to get all comfy and have a nice snooze. It's super drizzly and rainy outside. We've got the Christmas tree on. Oh. Just woke up from the longest nap, hence why I look super sleepy, but I was woken up actually because the HelloFresh delivery just came. So I thought I would show you what we've got for this week because I actually can't remember. So we have pork and apple burgers. Wow. We have spicy creamy Cajun chicken pasta. I think I've had that before actually. It's really nice. Porky penne with spinach and cheddar. rigatoni caprese. Oh, it's another big pasta week, I think. It's now the evening and me and Sam are about to go to a really cute, cosy, traditional local pub to us. We'll get some food. I'll probably have a couple of drinks, maybe a red wine or a cocktail. I'm hoping we can sit by the fire and just have a really cozy evening. We'll only be gone like an hour or so. Then we will come back here, maybe watch Strictly, maybe watch Towie, have some nice food. I'll maybe have a decaf tea or something cozy to drink, and we'll just have a cozy evening on the sofa. So I'm really excited. I haven't been to like a pub for like pub food for so long, and I've just really been craving going to a really nice traditional pub for so long. So I'm super excited, and it's just like a little date night for me and Sam as well. Since we got back from shopping earlier, we haven't really done much. I had the longest nap on the sofa, which was so nice. I haven't had a nap for ages, and Sam played his new Far Cry 6 game on Xbox that I got him for his birthday for a few hours, and then when the HelloFresh delivery came, that woke me up. So I put that all away in the fridge, and then we've just been chilling. But I hope you're having a lovely weekend, whatever you're up to. Also, let me know if your Christmas tree is up yet, because obviously mine is. I am feeling so Christmassy this year, which is why I want to start a little bit early. I know to some people it might seem a bit early, but it just disappears. The Christmas time just literally disappears. So I do like to get into the Christmas spirit early to just make it last as long as possible. Actually, I haven't shown you, but we have got some new cushions for the sofa. They're these like velvet green ones. They're like a duck feather as well, so they do chop really well. So we've got 4 of these on the sofa, which I absolutely love. I need to organise them a little bit better than this, but I love that like pine green colour. It's just so Christmassy. I absolutely love it. So they were from Dunelm. They're £20 each, and I've also got this pine green throw, which was from Next. So I'm super excited for the lounge to just feel completely Christmassy now. Still, I've taken down most of the autumn decorations, but I've still got like that autumn throw, which I might swap for a Christmas one. Then we've also got some prints from Desenio. That's one of them down there. So I've got 3 Christmas prints that we're going to put up here, but we're going to do that in tomorrow's vlog.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
We've just got here. I've got myself a very large Merlot.
And I've got myself a Foster's.
Very dark looking Foster's.
Yeah, I asked for a rum and Foster's and a straw.
Got a little candle here. It's really cozy, isn't it?
Big old jug of water.
Water?
Big old jug of H2O.
Sam's gonna try the Merlot.
It's not mulled wine, but I just know it's not going to taste like mulled wine at all, is it?
No? Oh, going for the second sip.
No.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas song.
I've got a bit of Mariah Carey on.
You jinxed it.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas song.
Hey, Coops! Hey! Oh! We're home! We are back home now and just getting cozy for the evening. I've got my Christmas pyjamas back on and I am actually quite tired, so I think I am going to just have a sleep on the sofa while Sam plays Xbox. But before I go, we do, I can see Sam eyeing up already. Sam's got his Christmas pyjamas on as well. So basically we have got like proper normal advent calendars like the chocolate ones, but I did actually get Sam this like Avengers Lego one, and I thought you could open this I guess throughout the Vlogmas videos, and then we'll save the chocolate ones for actually December.
That is a very good idea.
I don't know how you open it,
Yeah, you might
but you need to be careful
while I open this.
Okay, I'll be back with you in a second. Yay.
Number 1. Oh,
What is it?
that's a good one for a number 1.
What is it?
It is Christmas Iron Man.
Oh, can I see? Or do you need to build him?
Do you need to build him?
Oh, I thought he might come already built. Sam!
Do you know what the idea behind Lego is?
Yeah, but you don't have to build the actual men, do you? I'm going to take that as a
How
yes.
dare you?
Sorry.
How dare you?
Do you actually have to build all Lego men in Lego sets?
Yeah,
Really?
of course. Squash Satan, kick him in the crotch.
If people don't watch TikTok, they're going to have no idea what you've just said.
I don't even watch TikTok. This is the thing, I just hear you listening to all this stuff and it all gets in my head.
Oh, you built him quick.
You need to put eggs.
Eggs?
You need to put his eggs on. And his eggs and arms.
Eggs and arms. It's not for you. You don't. Oh, we need to get him an advent calendar.
He's
far too
naughty.
No, he's not. They do actually do like dog ones. I'll make sure we get you one as well for actually December. This is just an extra treat for Sam. Oh, he's being so cute today. Like, he's always cute, but I feel like some days he's just like extra cute. And today is one of those days.
Extra cute.
It's an extra cute day.
Iron Man in a Christmas jumper.
Hold him. There we go. Oh, he looks cool. What's he stood on?
They're the rockets that are making him go. So there, look. But then I've not got the. You see here, this blue, flamey stuff.
Oh,
Didn't give me that.
yeah, I think that's just for the photo.
Outrageous. False advertising.
I am going to end this vlog here because I am super tired, but I am filming tomorrow as well, so look out for another vlog over the next couple of days. And we have got so many exciting things planned for all of the Vlogmas videos. So if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell icon so that you never miss an upload. I completely forgot how I end vlogs because I haven't filmed for so long. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell icon, and don't forget to hit the... What do I even say?
Click the notifications bell, leave a
If you...
comment and subscribe so you never miss an upload.
We'll see you all very soon. Bye!